In this video, I will show you how to convert MOV file to MP4 or how to change an MOV file to MP4 for free. Let's get started. Method 1. Using VLC Media Player. Open your browser. Search for VLC Media Player. Click on the first link. Click the download button. Wait for the installer to download. Once it's done, go to your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer. Click OK. Click Next. Click Next again. Click Install. Wait for the installation process to complete. Click Finish. Click Continue to launch the VLC player. Go to Media. Click Convert/Save. In the pop-up window, use the Add button to upload your files. Select your video. Upload the video. Click Convert/Save. Choose this option in the Profile section. Browse for the folder where you want to save it. Rename the video extension to .mp4. Click Save. Click Start. It will take a few minutes to convert the video. Once it's done, go to your folder. As you can see, the video has been converted to MP4. Method 2. Using online tools. Open your browser. Search for MOV to MP4 Converter. You can use Cloud Convert, but I will use Free Convert in this demonstration. Click on MOV to MP4 Converter. Click on the Choose File option. Select your video. Click Open. Click Convert. Once you upload your file, the tool will automatically convert it. So wait for the uploading and conversion process to complete. Once it's done, click on the Download button. Open your Downloads folder. Here you go. As you can see, the extension has been changed from .mov to .mp4. Double-click to watch it.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.